A.M.P token has become one of the most popular coins lately. The cryptocurrency has been performing well, with a significant increase in the A.M.P price over the last several days. Investors that specialize in selecting altcoins may choose to purchase A.M.P and ride this wave. However, greater market volatility may deter them from doing so. In this video, we will look into A.M.P, its potential applications, and what could be behind the recent rise. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be taking a look at A.M.P coins, whether or not they are a good investment option. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe. Also note that this video is exclusively made for educational purposes only and shall not be deemed as investment or financial advice. Please consult a certified financial guru or do your own wide-spectrum research prior to making any investment decisions. Alright guys, now let's get straight into the video without any further delay. An introduction to A.M.P coin. What exactly is A.M.P? Okay, so a lot of folks have been asking what A.M.P is. A.M.P is a token designed to be used as payment collateral on the FLEXA payment network. It is an Ethereum-based currency that underpins FLEXA payments, which means that A.M.P collateral may be liquidated to repay costs if a FLEXA transaction fails or takes too long to be verified. A.M.P was founded last year and it formally began trading operations in September. When it was first listed, the token was worth $0.01. By looking at the partner lineup, we can see FLEXA, Consensus, and then you have Gemini, COINBASE. So as you can see, they've got a lot of firms involved in this initiative. So when you consider A.M.P as a prospective altcoin investment, we believe these are some of the things you should investigate into. So now we know that A.M.P has a wide range of applications. And so A.M.P should see growing acceptance as long as the FLEXA network draws users and clients. Which brings us to the next topic of discussion. A.M.P secures FLEXA. FLEXA, a merchant payment network, and Consensus, an Ethereum blockchain software firm, created A.M.P. The token became live in September 2020, succeeding its predecessors, FLEXA coin, intending to be utilized by projects other than FLEXA. FLEXA is intended to make it easier for retailers to accept digital assets as payments. It provides a native connection with the current POS system and online sales platforms, allowing retailers to accept online transactions while providing customers with a convenient checkout experience. In addition, A.M.P is the collateral that helps FLEXA to accept immediate payments. As of June 7, people worldwide had invested more than $1.2 billion in A.M.P to support FLEXA payments. A.M.P is now utilized as a collateral for over 25 digital assets. A.M.P was listed on Cream Finance in February, enabling token holders to earn interest by staking the token. In addition, the Cream community accepted the use of A.M.P as security for loans worth up to 45% of its value in April. Users of A.M.P can offer liquidity for decentralized exchange. The automatic market maker at SushiSwap A.M.M. They've been able to provide liquidity and borrow through SushiSwap's decentralized lending margin trading platform, Kashi, since April. A.M.P was featured on Yield, a fixed-rate decentralized lending platform that enables incentivized lending and borrowing on May 10th. On May 12th, A.M.P launched its first upfront flash staking offering, UFO, allowing users to stake the flash cryptocurrency for a predetermined length of time and immediately earn A.M.P. At the end of the staking period, the user receives the entire stake of flash. A.M.P price movements in 2021. Let's take a look at why A.M.P is up 787% this year. As we understand that one of the main concerns on your mind is whether it is indeed too late to get onto it. That's a big question, so let's investigate. The year 2021 began on a rough note for A.M.P. The asset had dropped even more than its listing price in the last 3 months of 2020, and the A.M.P price had fallen as low as $0.006. A.M.P was unable to break $0.01 until February despite advances in January. This was primarily owing to the difficulty in obtaining it. Investors attempting to purchase A.M.P were unable to do so on any major exchanges, causing considerable credibility harm. Despite the difficulties in purchasing, there was still some faith in A.M.P. Only in February, the asset's price began as an ascent that culminated in its crossing $0.05 for the first time. Then came another round of consolidation, which finished in May. When the downturn came in May, A.M.P was trading at $0.069. The A.M.P price managed to ride out the storm, but it plummeted on May 6th and reached a low of $0.02 on May 23. From there, its recovery has been erratic. A.M.P is now worth $0.094 per token. up 370% from its lows in May. So on June 15, once Coinbase internationally listed A.M.P, it traded at 13.63% higher in 24 hours. What is responsible for the sharp rise? The A.M.P price has increased by 50% lately. The asset's surge has been attributed to its placement on major exchange COINBASE. The A.M.P price rises on Coinbase listing. When A.M.P was initially released, cryptocurrency Gemini was the first to embrace it. Investors may now purchase A.M.P on Coinbase, the first extensive exchange to do so. Gate.io, Bbox, and ZB.com are the other exchanges listed on the asset's CoinMarketCap data page. However, none of these exchanges have the same level of trustworthiness as Coinbase. So A.M.P looks like to have benefited from the famous Coinbase effect, which is just a term used to indicate the projected price increase that an asset experiences when it is listed on Coinbase. The price of A.M.P in 2021 began at $0.006657 after its first launch at $0.009559 in September 2020, but has since fallen. The A.M.P price increased to $0.06508 on June 10th, up from $0.05825 on June 9th, then continuing to $0.08546 on June 11th. On June 13, A.M.P fell from its all-time high, trading at $0.05528. However, it climbed to a new high at the start of the following week, reaching $0.09709 on June 15. With Bitcoin, BTC rising back about the $40,000 barrier, but still a long way from its all-time high of $64,000, and it is one of the few cryptocurrencies now trading around its all-time high. There is also the widespread adoption of FLEXA. For example, Sheets, a convenience shop, revealed last month that it had begun taking digital currency payments at its site. Sheets stated that in news release that it has already started taking cryptocurrency payments due to a cooperation with FLEXA. Additionally, the digital currency payment method will be accessible for in-store products and petrol stations at over 600 locations across many states. Technical analysis of the A.M.P price. With the A.M.P price at an all-time high, it's simple to purchase A.M.P right now. The asset has gained 15% recently as a result of the present market rebound. The A.M.P price is now trading above its 50-day EMA of $0.053 and 20-day SMA of $0.069. As a result, there is a lot to like about it. However, investors should be wary of A.M.P. A.M.P has a relative strength index RSI of 74.04, indicating that it is rapidly entering overbought territory. The RSI has risen from 34% in the last day, indicating that many buyers have gotten wind of A.M.P's surge and are investing in it. A.M.P is also the 28th largest crypto by market cap on June 15, with a value of $4 billion according to CoinMarketCap. We understand that you may be wondering what the current condition of the A.M.P USD cryptocurrency prognosis is, if the price will continue to increase or begin to decrease following the current gain. So let's find out. A.M.P price predictions 2021-2023. Will the price reach new highs? According to CoinCodex, the A.M.P token short-term outlook is positive. The cryptocurrency is now trading at its all-time high of $0.09, with support at $0.08 and resistance reaching up to $0.11. Digital Coin's longer-term A.M.P prediction forecasts that the price will rise further to an average of $0.1411 in 2021, $0.1687 in 2022, and $0.2022 in 2023. According to CoinSkid, the A.M.P price will reach $0.1101 in July, $0.0891 in November, and $0.0946 in December 2021. In the future, the price is expected to climb to an average of $0.1405 in December 2022 and double to an average of $0.2865 in December 2023. Alright folks, that's all we have for today's video. We hope that this video has helped you gain a better perspective. If you guys enjoyed the video, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!